Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how to create different images using the prompt AI that saves, solves and create. So over here you can just come in and paste in your prompts, whatever you want to create, but in this case I want us to create an image, so I can go ahead and type in the detailed prompt that I want. Okay, take a look at what I have just said. Create the image of a lion drinking coffee in a bar and wearing sunglasses with a hat and enjoying a company with a friend. Okay, so let's come over here, and once you click on this, you specify the number of images, the quality of the image, the size of the image, as well as the background of the image. So once you're okay with this, you can just go ahead and click on enter, and this is going to select the models that is going to use to generate that image for you directly. But for this case, it is using GPT image 1, and it's using banana, and then it's using Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, all of them, to be able to see which one is going to generate the result faster. So let's just give them some seconds, but from the look of things, Nano Banana does it very fast, and then followed by Flux 1.1 and then down to GPT image 1. Okay, but I think I kind of like the quality of the Flux 1.1. Take a look at the quality, only that it doesn't have a company in terms of another lion, but it's drinking coffee in a bar, wearing a hat and sunglasses. This is very creative and very detailed. The same thing here, only that it has a company also, they are drinking together as well, and it's a busy bar. You can see people behind him, and so same thing here. This one picks the exact message. It has a company and they're drinking coffee in a bar wearing headset and then the sunglasses and so on. So this is very detailed. In each case, if you click, you can be able to download by just coming over here. You can just with one click be able to download your video. Very easy and direct. I've done another one for cat as well. Take a look at the quality and the sincerity of the cat that it is showcasing. Okay, so this is the cat. This is another one. You can just hover over and then you can download your card from here, and then you can continue to do other things. So you can go ahead and try to generate different kind of images using this prompt AI. It can give you comparison with other different AI tools. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.